How to use Coinbase for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use Coinbase for beginners. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you want to use Coinbase for beginners, all you have to do is just go to coinbase.com and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Then once you sign into the account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. I'm assuming you've already created an account and done all of that because those are the really easy processes. If you don't know how to though, still I will make sure to drop a link below. Once you're on the website, there are most likely 3 more important things that you have to do. First, you have to verify your identity. Second, you have to add a payment method. Third, you have to learn how to trade. So to verify your identity, right on the homepage, you will see verify your info button. Click on verify your info, then make sure to actually go ahead and enter your first name, last name, everything details in this case. Once you've entered the details, verify your identity, upload a personal document verification, and your account will be verified. Then once you've done that, the next step will require you to add a payment method. So right under it, you just need to scroll down to the bottom, select the option called add payment method. Now, in order to learn how to send and receive crypto, you can just click on the send and receive crypto from the top right. Once you verify the information, all of this process will basically get started automatically. Now, if you want, you can also go ahead and buy and sell cryptocurrencies in this case if you'd like to. Now, if you want to explore some of the account settings, you can click the profile icon from the top right, go to your settings option. Here you can customize all the notifications you receive. Here you can change the password, your phone number, your email address under security tab. Under device management, you'll be able to see the devices that are currently logged in. On the activity tab, you'll be able to see all the transaction history and activities. On the privacy tab, you'll be able to see all the information Coinbase has stored for you. Similarly, you have many of the other accounts here. So hopefully this video helped you understand and give you a basic idea on how you can begin using Coinbase. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.